Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Limpung Yelekai District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet at Raja Arpusau, bala Pynïaid the Kopis District Sports Officer West Janta Hills, ringkat Gajinya Trilang ke West Janta District Sports Association, kalasdang hakashitarik Jemang, Hamadan Kiang Nangba Stadium, Jowai. Hakani ka Limpung Yelekai balai sengi lenter lawan Bynta, da hanyo spa, prapo hanyo Ngut ki Khynnah shenrang bat kentei, na ki Arpusan tali ki school, na kaleng ka district halaki jong ki kerdan Yelekai ki bakan thup na duk ka under 14, under 16 but under 18. Ka additional superintendent of police West Janta Hills district ka kong Christian C W Lingdo kum ka kong san hakajingdon lang u district sports officer uba krubok pasa working president WJDSA uba EMH pasa ki principal ki nong hikai na ki school bapher ki wahe shnong kalapan her ya kalama kum kadak kajing sedang ya kalumpung ya kajing bam smai ne ot ceremony dalam khmat da uyo iksan lingdo.
Many of the students are no longer staying active in sports. In fact, rather than being active in sports, they are addictive to mobile phones, that is playing mobile games. When you talk about boys, if we refer to girls are being addicted to social media, be it Instagram or Facebook, which is in fact very discouraging. And what we have observed that many of the students now, since they are too engrossed with mobile phones, too engrossed with an addiction or too addicted to mobile phones, now even they do not have that rational thinking. They do not, they tend to be very frustrated, they tend to be very angry, they do not know how to participate, they do not know how to interact with people, they tend to lose that. So my advice to all the students, please be active in sports, because if you stay active in sports, it not only helps you to stay physically active, but it also helps to develop your mentality.
Hakasngi sedang la pendap gajinya lekai kenthop na do ka shot put, high jump, gajinya kop mare ba praspa meter, hakabaki Khynnah shenrang bat kenthei, kila Ïashim Bynta shitham, ban Pynïaid kasap katalan yelekai. Hakajinya kop shot put, jong ka kerdan under 16 boys, la job da utrangki o lipon, na Government Boys Higher Secondary School, ba RUA Bormi Poplat, North Liberty Higher Secondary School, bat balai Wandame Talang Government Boys Higher Secondary School. Hakajinya kop shot put jong ka kerdan under 18 girls, la job da ka Ribathyang Dhar, Saint Mary Mazzarello Higher Secondary School, Baar Karisuk Lang I Suchang Saint Dominic Higher Secondary School, Bat Balai Jingshai Hun Kso Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Hakajinya kop long jump jong ka kerdan under 18 boys, la job da Ubanshan Kupar Suchang Saulingdo Higher Secondary School, Baar Ushong Hok Dhar Kiang Nangba Higher Secondary School, Bat Balai Debor Mishwa Shadap To Memorial Secondary School Jowai. Hakajinya kop long jump jong ka kerdan under 18 girls, la job da ka Dei Gracia Dan na North Liberty Higher Secondary School, Baar ka Lisibia Nongtru Saint Mary Mazzarello Higher Secondary School, Bat Balai ka Emi da Kashwa Sena Saint Dominic Higher Secondary School. Hakajinya kop high jump jong ka kerdan under 16 girls, la job da ka Terchan I Charmang na Don Bosco Secondary School, Baar ka Haka Dayo I Sana North Liberty Higher Secondary School, Bat Balai ka Sanika Bahoy Umulong Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Hakajinya kop ba praspa meter jong ka kerdan under 18 girls, la job da ka Justina Dhar Saint Mary Mazzarello Higher Secondary School, Baar ka Deiwari Maya Mika Dhar North Liberty Higher Secondary School, Bat Balai ka Iwa Lana Pasa Government Girls Higher Secondary School.